Hi, my name is Chris Palmer. Today we're going to learn how to change a shutoff valve for your sink or toilet. To change a shutoff valve, you're going to need to turn off the main water supply for your house. After you do that, go ahead and open a water faucet, preferably at the lowest point in the plumbing line. That'll allow all the water to drain out of the pipes and make this process a lot neater, less dripping. What we have here is a shutoff valve that I bought at my home improvement center. This is a 1/2 inch connection to a 3/8 out, and this is a 1/4 turn valve, which I think is far superior to a multi-turn. There's a ball valve inside here instead of the needle valve that's typical with a multi-turn valve. 1 turn and that's off. A lot more reliable, a lot easier to use. I recommend it. So once your water's turned off, you're going to be dealing with, this is the valve that we're replacing, and this is the hose that connects the valve to the toilet. This is a typical toilet connection. It's a 7/8 threaded pipe. You don't need any pipe thread sealant on a plastic connection, and you don't need any pipe thread sealant on this connection here because it's a compression connection and there's a gasket in there that seals the threads for you. You don't need this on there for this situation. Go ahead and take that off, and what we're going to do is thread that directly there. This connection is where we connect to the water coming out of the wall, and we do need sealant on that. Use a little bit of Teflon tape wrapped around the male end of your galvanized pipe, or a little pipe thread sealant or pipe dope. So your water's turned off, you reach down and disconnect this part from the existing valve. There might be a little bit of drippage there, so have an old towel handy to catch that. Once that's free, you can get an adjustable wrench on the valve itself and turn it, and it'll thread right off of that galvanized nipple. Go ahead and remove it. Reseal the main thread of what's existing coming out of the wall. Thread your new valve right on there. I would go finger tight and then try to get one more turn with your pipe wrench. Don't over tighten it, you'll feel it when it's tight enough. Reapply your connection hose and you're all done. I'm Chris Palmer. Thanks for joining me. That's how you change a shutoff valve.